Court calls case People versus Angel Dietrich.
And then on behalf of the people.
An Assistant Public Defender, Natalie Pate, on behalf of Ms. Dietrich, who appears via Zoom. Ma'am, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
Angel Dietrich.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have two brief requests. As to the case itself, I have had lengthy discussions regarding this case with my client, and at this time we're wishing to set the case for final settlement conference. Then I do have a brief request as to bond when appropriate.
Jury final settlement conference will be set for December 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, will be December 8th, 2025, 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Yes, as to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. This request was made at the last pretrial hearing in regards to the removal of her GPS tether. Nothing from our end has, or I believe on anyone's end, has changed regarding the GPS tether. However, I am renewing that request. The only thing that I would argue that has changed is more time has passed, and Ms. Dietrich has maintained her compliance on bond during that time regarding both the tether and no contact. She understands that if the court were to grant that request today and to remove the physical GPS tether, that all her bond conditions otherwise would stay the same. She would still have those no contacts and no go-to orders in place, and she does understand that, and she has been compliant thus far. She does currently stay with her mother in Ann Arbor, and I personally have also spoken to her older sister, who does also help with the situation. I would be asking if the court would consider allowing the removal of the GPS tether at this time.
Response.
Your Honor, I would object. It's my understanding that the victims, her spouse and child, do live in Ann Arbor as well. I would have concerns for their safety given the facts of this case and the different incidents that were described by the victim to the police regarding him as well as the child. So I would ask that it remain as set at this point.
Anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Outside that she does reside separately and has had no violations and understands that the no contact and no go-to would remain in place. She's just asking that that tether and the burden that it puts on her be removed.
All right. At this time, the court is going to decline to get, once again, your request. Motion to change conditions is denied. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. And thank you, Ms. Dietrich. You're all set for today, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.